Kind of a late start. But today we're working on a 1990 Mustang 5.0. I'm about to head over to O'Reilly's and go and grab some stuff. I just came back from O'Reilly's, but now I gotta go back over there. So, see you there. 1, 2, 3.
Slicks!
So now I made it. About to get my starter check. See if it worked. Look, hey, everybody here today. The gang. I'm not a part of the gang though, says this guy.
That's not what you're doing. Finish. Finish. I'll test it. Oh my god. You want to go do this battery stuff? I'll do it. Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll look outside. This is all 10mm bolts.
Come on. O'Reilly's can't make up their mind.
No, they didn't.
Yeah. That's what
Is it good?
I have just a little bit of home back home.
Should pop out. It's spinned. It's perfectly fine.
Okay, what about those other parts?
What was it?
Gasket and filter.
For what? The transmission?
Mm-hmm. So I'm back at the house now. Let's get ready.
Skirt!
Skirt, skirt. Ugly. Look at this. Yeah, look. Yeah, so now I'm about to get ready to
He's a bum!
shut up.
Ugly.
So now I'm finna get ready to
Fart.
I'm about to get okay. Yeah. Clean the transmission. So yeah. Let's get to it. Move out the way before I hit you with that water hose, man. Where are your shoes? Look at them toes. Ew.
The hose is all the way.
Go turn it off for me. Why?
Because you need to see.
For food, I need you.
No, you need to see.
Damn, I almost didn't spill it. I just want to agitate it so that knock all this grease off. Come on, you said just rinse it off. Ooh. Hey. I can see I'm gonna have to hit it up one more time. Don't forget about this side, Coop.
If I can get it. This is fun. Mostly this side. Scrub this side more.
What? Ooh, that thing's starting to shine.
Scrub this side more.
Started cleaning the bottom and then I had to use this to pry it open. So now it needs to be replaced. So I need to get my filter. And supposedly this transmission is supposed to be built. So it has braiding lines for the dipstick and everything. Hopefully it's really a built transmission because I got a deal for it. So even if it isn't, it still was a deal. Supposedly it has C4 internals or something like that. I don't know, or truck gears or whatever it is. It's supposed to be better than the normal transmission. So right now I'm gonna clean it off, put the new filter. Fingers crossed. Hope it works. Either that or I'm gonna be taking it all the way back out of the car. Yep. The filter's in. It's real simple. You just take that bolt, and the one right here. A loose, then there's a gasket in the back of here, and then there's a hole here where you need to insert. It's real simple. Yeah. The old one's in the box now. It was time for change. So now, this is the part I don't like because these, you have to make sure the surface is super clean. That's about as clean as I could get it. Make sure the surface is super clean because for some reason, even the smallest little piece of anything could make these leak. So you want to make sure when you're putting this on that that you have, you know, cleaned it properly. Yeah. So let's get this on there. So I'm just gonna put everything in because it's getting kind of dark. I'm lying. I'm just lazy. I don't feel like moving that car over there and pushing it up and doing all that right now. So I'm gonna wait. And by next time, we should be seeing if this car starts up.